to the next story that is making national headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, chief ministers will be vaccinated in the second phase of India's vaccination drive. The phase 2 of the vaccines are for those who are above 50 years of age and the ones with comorbidities. Earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had told the chief ministers that lawmakers above 50 years are going to get vaccinated in the second phase. Any MP or MLA less than 50 years of age and without comorbidities may have to wait a little longer to get the vaccines. The vaccine jabs to Prime Minister Modi and key lawmakers is going to help defeat vaccine hesitancy amongst the citizens. After the mass inoculation drive launched in India on 16th of January, over 3.8 lakh people have been vaccinated up until now in the phase 1 of the drive. India aims to vaccinate 3 crore frontline and healthcare workers in the first phase of the vaccination drive. The phase 2 will cover 27 crore recipients. Milan Sharma now joins us live. Milan, walk our viewers through what the second phase of the mass inoculation drive really looks like. What's interesting is jabs for chief ministers, MPs, MLAs are all going to be doled out in the second phase, including to Prime Minister Modi.
Well, Chetty, that's right. And this will be done post the frontline workers as well as the healthcare workers are inoculated in the country. Remember, the Prime Minister in his national address had earlier said that no minister, no MP or MLA should cut lines to get priority to get the vaccines. And as promised, he has told the CMs in a CM meeting that was held that all those above the age of 50 with comorbidities will definitely get a vaccine once the chance of the 27 crore people arises after the frontline and the healthcare workers are vaccinated. Remember, Prime Minister has said that he himself will take the vaccine, and that will definitely be a shot in the arm to end vaccine hesitancy in the country when the leader of the country would be taking the vaccine. We've been hearing a lot from the government that the healthcare workers, some of them are missing out on the vaccines. There are some hesitations, but I'm sure all those will be put to rest once the Prime Minister himself comes forward when it is his turn. So they're waiting their turn, they're not cutting lines, and that is what will be decided once the frontline workers and healthcare workers are vaccinated. With that, the 27 crore people and priority groups, the Prime Minister and CMs would take the vaccine, Chetty.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.